Right, again we start off the question by drawing two sets of axes. I won't do this on all of the videos, but I will do it for the first few so you get the idea of what's expected of you. Label the origin, and then we draw on our two initial vectors. So the first one is our 1, 0, and that gives us the coordinate 1, 0 there, and the second one is going to be 0, 1. So those vectors are 1, 0 and 0, 1. We always start off with these two vectors, so you've got to remember that every time you're doing the transformation. Now we are going to rotate this line with this centre here. So imagine that rotating around that centre point through 90 degrees. Now I've got to say that every time you do a rotation, you've got to remember that rotations are always anti-clockwise. So they go that way, and that is an important thing to remember. So 90 degrees. So this point here is going to stay the same. This is going to go that way 90 degrees. So it's going to end up here. And that is going to be the coordinate 0, 1. So what we do is we transfer that down to here. This vector here, this 1, 0, has become 0, 1. And that's the first part of our question solved. This line here is going to rotate anti-clockwise again, and it is going to come down to there. It doesn't really matter. You can see that that's a slightly longer length, but it doesn't really matter because it is for illustration purposes really. So this is, let me think, it is -1, 0, that coordinate there. And this vector is 1 to the left and 0 up or down, so 1 to the left, 0, like that. So your matrix for the solution to this problem is this one, 0, 1, and this one, -1, 0.